Okay, at this point, we're going to present another float.
Ayan.
Ang Kanggelal.
Eto na, parating na. Sinasagwan na mga kaibigan.
Ang Kanggelal. Sultan Kudarat, also in the province of Sharif Kabunsuan, showcases royal coronation rites of the Maguindanao Sultanate in its float called the Kanggelal. The float is adorned with colorful flags, traditional decors, such as lalansay and likos on the walls, flaglets called pandalas, a miniature house called laminan, and the rainbow-shaped binulodto. Traditional heirloom are also carried, such as brass betel knot, the bird-shaped bulyas to symbolize power, and the brass frog called babak, the sword-like sundang, and a colorful umbrella. Yan po ang float from Sultan Kudarat, ang Kanggelal.
Very colorful. Alam mo, pag from Mindanao talaga, ibang klase ang material.
Yes.
Yes.
Napakaganda,
Gaganda.
napaka-colorful.
Ayun, pwede kong gawing
Let's
saya.
say hello sa mga
Hi.
nakasakay sa
Hello.
float. Hello sa inyo
Municipality
and
of
welcome.
Hi,
Sultan
baby.
Kudarat. Ayun.
May baby boy doon. Baby boy dito ka.
Hello, little boy.
Hi.
Ang cute-cute. May
Very
sarili siyang
charming.
bangka.
May sariling bangka ang bata. Bata pa kasi siya. All right, yan po
Kanggelal.
ang Kanggelal.